I am here for a time such as this. I am here to serve. I am here to live a delicious life. I am here to command and manifest all the money that I desire so that I can live out my purpose here on earth with abundance, with confidence, with empowerment, so that I can devote my life and service to others, and so that I can devote my life in service to my mission here on earth. Hey, 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 Kharisma here. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking you through a guided meditation, and it's going to help you align to your soul purpose. Now, your purpose, your life purpose, your soul purpose, it's something that a lot of people struggle with to connect with or to align to. And here's the thing that I know for sure. Your purpose is not something that you find outside of yourself. It is all within you. It's at the core of your being. And it's about aligning. It's about discovering what it is. So then you can go out into the world and really package that in a way, or monetize that in a way that you can offer value to your ideal soulmate clients and the individuals that you are here to serve. And in addition, is that so that you can be compensated divinely and truly live the life that you desire and become financially empowered. So I want you to get comfortable, sit in an upright position, put your feet on the floor, and just relax. So go ahead and close your eyes and take the first breath in. Exhale. Second breath in. Exhale. And the final breath in, I want you to hold it just a little bit longer. Now, as you keep your eyes closed, let me just guide you through this meditation. And I just want you to just let my words sink deep into the core of your being, and for you to just tap into your deepest part of who you are at soul. Let's get started. I know that I am meant for something amazing. I know that I am here on earth for a divine purpose. I know for sure that I have a mission to fulfill here on earth. I may not have the clarity of what that is. So today, I'm intentionally seeking the clarity to discover, to gain insight into what my divine soul purpose is. I am submitting, I am intentionally sitting and being open for clarity to come. I am devoting this time to be still, to know thyself, to be still for the uncovering, the discovery of my purpose to make itself known. I know it is there already. I know that since I was a child that there are clues that has been along my path of this journey. I know, and I have an inkling of what the purpose is, but I don't have full clarity. And today, as I sit, as I devote this time, as I commit to this process, clarity will come. As I sit before God and Spirit and the Divine, I know, because I intentionally ask for guidance, that guidance will be given to me. I now submit myself to let myself be guided on this path. I am here for a time such as this. I am here to serve. I am here to live a delicious life. I am here to welcome and receive and rise into wealth, abundance, and impact. I am here to command and manifest all the money that I desire so that I can live out my purpose here on earth with abundance, with confidence, with empowerment, so that I can devote my life and service to others, and so that I can devote my life in service to my mission here on earth. I was made for a time such as this. From the top of my head to the tip of my toes, I am divinely blessed, and I am abundant, and I am a purpose-driven woman. I accept what my purpose is. I welcome my purpose as I gain clarity on what it is. And I say yes to my mission. I say yes to my purpose. I say yes to my calling. And I sit and I wait and I commit to the process to be guided. And I open up my heart and I open up my soul, my spirit to be guided. That the uncovering, the discovery of my soul purpose will make itself known, will show itself to me, so that I can move forward on this path of a purpose-driven life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And so it is. I hope that this brief meditation has helped you in some way, has been of value. It was short and to the point, because I want you to repeat it, put it on auto repeat until the nuggets and the whispers from God, from the divine, from the Spirit show you and reveal to you what your soul purpose is here on earth. If you think that there's anyone that would this video would be of value to, please do share it, like, share it. Share me your experience. Are you clear on what your purpose is? Have you been trying? Have you been searching, trying to find your purpose? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have clarity on your purpose, let me know as well. I'd love to hear about it. And as always, if you desire deeper support with me, there are a few ways that we can work together. As I'm here, I'm devoted to helping you monetize your purpose and become financially empowered and rise into wealth, impact, and freedom. Just click the link below to schedule a time for us to talk. We'll spend some time together. I'll look at where you are, where you desire to be, and see if you are fit for us to work together. Until next time, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.